So good to see the young bubbling energy here. Huh? Very nice. And so I came to know your teacher that you are from JNU Medical College. And you are pursuing your final year, I believe. So welcome to O2 Park, which is in Hingonia, Goshala. And ma'am, welcome to you also. You are being completely. So you have visited the complete, area, the natural habitat we call it. So what do you have to say now? Now I just want to interact with you because you guys are the future health of a or well-being of a person. What is health actually? It's not merely an absence of a disease, but what? A complete mental, physical, social and mental well-being. चलो मैं डॉक्टर नहीं हूँ थोड़ा सा हेल्थ के बारे में आई नो so this is what I just wanted to ask them. You can come closer so that you can hear them out because we don't have the mic today. So बताओ what do you think about if you want to treat people in a place like this or how the person will accept the healings or the treatment at a place like this? Anyone, you can just speak out your heart. There's nothing very official about it. Ma'am, you can start actually, just to give them a boost.
We actually like the whole idea of making like a village resort. It's a beautiful resort. And I believe that when we say health is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being. So if a patient comes to such a place, it's good for their well-being.
Complete wellness, healing, a holistic way of thinking. So that's what we call here in O2 as transformation of your mind, body and soul. And actually health is what you think, it goes down. Definitely there are, scientifically you can prove me what is oncology or what is a cancerous cell and what is this and what, you can prove anything. But effectively in a human being is also a machine. So what human being is thinking is happening. Am I right, ma'am? So whatever human being is thinking is happening to the body. There are certain duties we have assigned to the parts of the body, that the mind is supposed to do something, the ear, the heart, the hands and legs. So everyone is, entrusted with a particular task. But how are we going to get the task done from it? If you are constantly thinking about something else, so what actually your heart wants to do, your brain is not supporting it. So your body will never support it. So this is the combination. So now I want to hear from the young generation, yeah, that what positivity you can give to your patients or people who want the healing.
I feel the best part about this place is it's very calming.
So we live in the city kind of environment, and there is constant hustle bustle. It's all noisy, and also the pollution and everything. This is a much more natural place. When we just enter here, also it is just very calming. If we all just keep quiet, we can actually experience pin drop silence.
You can feel yourself. No?
Exactly.
Yeah, you can feel yourself.
Yeah.
And the best way to heal is to feel yourself.
Exactly.
When you can hear, your inner voice. And this is what you can feel here, right? You are absolutely correct. Very nice. And anything else anybody wants to say? It's just open on your heart. You can even say, ma'am, isko aisa kar sakte hain. So maybe I can, visualize that and incorporate in my future projects.
Do you have any suggestions?
This is a perfect place to disconnect from the all social life or social disturbance. Like mentally ill people can properly come here and can calm themselves down, and like proper disconnect and proper healing can be done here with a proper nature combination and all. So like in this such a warm sun around, and we still feel
Very cold, pleasant here. Huh? We don't need fan and all here, right? So something from the boys' side also, yeah. The girls are only speaking, huh?
What exactly is this place? Because what are you going to do?
See, this place exactly is for. It's a wellness center, you can call it. It's a training center basically. We are offering this platform for training on agriculture. It's a social cause, and we promote agrotourism within the vicinity of Goshala. So people who want to be really, give them a break from the outside world, They can come, they can serve the cows, they can visit our fields, what we have done, you know, the agriculture part of it. They can reside here. It's like that, basically. People
It's a part
can.
of Gaushala or just
It's a part of Gaushala. And people do come to celebrate their birthdays, anniversaries, their special occasions. So they, there's a very beautiful thing to happen, cow healing. Or maybe animal healing, you can say. Cow healing is one part of it. So if you're attached to any particular animal also, that's a kind of a healing, what you're giving to yourself, that bonding, that attachment. So similarly, people come here during their special occasions. And this is what we have created for them, that they can celebrate their birthdays, anniversaries, they can spend some quiet time here for that particular occasion, is that. And few things which are very specific to this place is, one is you can have a mud bath therapy. We have made a small pond which will have a mud bath. You can have a steam bath which is there already. You can have the plunge pool is there, you can soak yourself in water. Then there will be a direct sun bath, which is very important. As doctors, you know it, that how important is for us to be in the early morning sun rays. So people can take the sun bath here. Then we have some smaller portion coming up here with acupressure. So it's the acupressure path with a natural thing. So you just walk and the feet will get automatically acupressured and massaged. So these are very, very basic techniques which rather you know it better than me. Okay. So I would really love to see
it's a
some
nice
of these.
holistic approach.
Yes. So it's like that. There will be a cow and a calf tied up here. So people who are here residing, they can maybe spend some time with them. We have another vertical of Prani Sanrakshan, in which we we rehabilitate animals who are injured, who are we met with some accidents or lost their mothers or parents or something like that. So we heal them or bring them to some kind of a stability. And if somebody wants to adopt, it's free of cost, like we give it to them.
So you'll rehabilitate only the cows and buffaloes or other
No,
animals?
here for the task of Gaushala is cows and buffaloes, but Gaushala also accepts a lot of other animals. Like we have monkeys, we have cats, dogs, rabbits, lot of we have a lot of birds. So even we participate in that, and we also do the same thing.
Do you currently have dogs and cats?
We do have in Gaushala, not here right now. Like we have a set of dogs, around 18 dogs in another station, another base, and somebody who wants, it's like basic Paria breeds. We have started calling them stray dogs. Again, this is a mindset which the Britishers have probably been able to attune us to eat what we should not eat, to do what we should not do, to think what we should not think. And we have been becoming slave in our mind since ages, though we have got the independence, but still we are somewhere in our mindset we still have. So we call our Paria breeds to be the stray. Oh, stray dog hai. Why are you handling the stray dog? So but we do not know their capabilities. They are very intelligent, they're very sharp, they are very emotional, and they are good watchdogs. I'll not compare them in any other hybrid, but they are quite good for a normal individual or maybe farmer or any such person to have a watchdog, right of a thing. So we deal with the basic things, not those air-conditioned pets.
Right.
So anything you want to ask me or anything you want I have still not heard from boys. Yeah. I still want to hear. Say something. You can talk. You can talk in group also. No problem.
Till what time this will be ready for?
This is ready. We just finishing few things maybe in a day or two. By this month end, it will be furnished. The look at the evenings are all the more pleasant. The lights and all that. So it gives all the warmth which is required.
And if you want to visit or something like that, how do you contact you?
We have number 9081
Is it online?
Yes, it is online. You can get this video also. You can. So you can.
I just want to say one thing. The one thing about this place is all of us were very tired. Okay, and we were like, "Abhi fir se dhoop mein jana padega," and it would be very exhausting. The moment every one of us we entered here, now you can literally look at us. We all are very energetic. I think it's the aura, it's the vibe this place has.
Absolutely.
it is very calming and it is very therapeutic.
She is absolutely right, you know, I'm absolutely with her. And the structure which is being made, this is with cow dung,
Right.
clay, the local vernacular material, and bamboos. And this kind of a structure, this huge structure of 5,000 SFT is not there in our country as of now. This is the first of its kind. So you are standing at a place which nobody has, I mean, in India has ever made or stayed or visited. It's like that. So what field are you going to take? I mean specialization.
I am not completely sure about it, but probably medicine if
Okay.
we get into it because seeds we would put.
Okay. Chalo, I still look forward for a lot of Ayurveda doctors after this because that's the call of the day. I think you know we have to come out, and it's not discouraging because you are our backbone, because without you guys. I mean, I think the economy will also fall down because we will not be, you know, able to sustain that fitness and all. But yes, definitely, what I think personally is that we have to start healing ourselves in the natural way, maybe with the naturopathy or the Ayurveda culture, which is already there in our Vedas, which already written. So I just wish that somebody reads that Vedas and come to me also.
Like
Thanks.
this concept of village resort and sun bath, mud bath.
Yes. So it's all again the natural way of healing. You know, the moment you go for a mud bath, so the pores, there are so many pores in your skin, you know, and somebody who's going to be a dermatologist in future will be able to analyze that how important are these pores to remove all the toxins. The moment they are blocked, you will be ill. So the sweat has to come out and the toxins have to come out. So that is one thing. Then the sun, you know that it is important. Then the sound of water, because we are going to have a waterfall also in front of it. You must have seen near the plunge pool. So there's so many water elements. One is the waterfall, one is the plunge pool, which is again having a mini waterfall, and the third one is the shower area, which again has a small waterfall. So that's basically the healing with sound and the music, because water is again, the fall of water is the music. So everything is natural. So you are in the natural habitat. And thank you so much for coming here. I'm so happy to see you. Thank you.